The invention of the headset. From kitchen to battlefield. Ever wondered who invented the headset? It all started in 1891 when inventors like Ezra Gilliland and Clement Ader experimented with early telephone receivers. But the real breakthrough, 1910, when an electrical engineer named Nathaniel Baldwin built the first true hands-free audio device in his kitchen. World War I changed the game. The U.S. Navy needed clear communication in the chaos of battle. Nathaniel Baldwin, a physics teacher with a knack for tinkering, stepped up. He created headsets using air pressure to amplify sound. His secret? He used compressed air to boost the signal, cutting through the noise. The Navy loved them, even though Baldwin initially sold them from his kitchen. But here's the crazy part, he never patented it. Despite its success, Baldwin missed out on what could have been a multi-million-dollar invention. By the 1940s and 50s, headsets evolved into lighter, more efficient designs. Used by pilots, telephone operators, and military personnel. Then came 1961, when Plantronics changed the game, developing a lightweight headset for NASA. This same tech helped transmit Neil Armstrong's legendary words from the moon in 1969. Then came the digital age, and gaming exploded. Online multiplayer demanded clear communication and immersive sound. Headsets evolved into high-tech command centers. Noise cancellation became essential, microphones became crystal clear. And surround sound placed you right in the game. Some even added haptic feedback, letting you feel the explosions. Fast forward to today, headsets are everywhere. We have studio-grade sound, active noise cancellation, spatial audio, and even AI-powered enhancements. Whether you're gaming, recording music, or taking calls, the headset has transformed how we hear and communicate. From a kitchen experiment to high-tech, immersive sound, the headset has shaped industries and everyday life. Imagine headsets that translate languages in real time, or even monitor brainwaves for health and wellness. Gilliland's simple idea sparked a sonic revolution that's still unfolding. Thanks for tuning in, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. I send love and light your way.